As soon as you go inside, mommy, Keuche.
Oh, saras.
This is their swimming pool, guys, but it's very cold in here. Sino yung magsiswimming sa malamig na panahon na ganito? So, ayan. Dito nagbebenta ng sugar cane. May chana. Ah, okay!
So they are making chana.
Na. Say hi to the fish. Oy, sit down ka. Sit down. Sit down. Uy.
Mama!
Yes.
Mama!
Oh, sit down ka rin, pra. Oy. Ame, sit down ka rin. Ubo, pre. Guys, so ayun ang baby Iwan ko. Oh, where are you going, Iwan? So, nandito kami ngayon sa isang hotel dito. And, i-check-in na kami. Papakita ko sa inyo yung room later. Ayun. Ayun si Milan. Dime-dime, beta. Dime-dime. Mara hotel room. Jo. Ah, jo to kar. Stand up karo. Stand up. Ah, jo. क्यों दमाले कराच. Bopre. Ivan, fish kayo siya. Ivan, show them the fish. Where's the fish? Hindi nyo naman ang anak ko. Ang gulo-gulo, guys. Oh. Hi, Ivan. Hi. Oh. Ang gulo-gulo ng anak ko, guys. Kanina po siya naglalaro-laro dito. So, ayan guys. We took the executive room. Dito sila. Guys, we took this executive room. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. As soon as you go inside, mommy. Keuche.
Oh, saras.
So, we took this executive room, guys, para makapaglaro si baby Ivan. So, we have here one bed for mommy and papa. Merong upuan dito. Papa, Keuche. So, ayan guys. Ito naman ang ating CR. There's also bathtub inside separate, guys. Ayan. Hi, Ivan! Hi, Ivan! Ayan si baby Ivan dito. Oh, naglalaro siya.
You can go outside. That's the best part.
And you can go outside with this valley view. Ayan. Ivan, you can play here, anak, oh. Wow! Papa Keuche, G1 ma kewai, hai na? Ato G1 kewai.
You girl, atli rumal demon becha.
Ivan, Jo! Ivan, bago. Kaya namin kinuha to, guys, tong executive room for baby Ivan to enjoy. Bebe! Chalo! So, ayan, guys. Milan, how was it?
Very good.
Very good, no? You can see the view right over here. Who hoot you? Oy, chal नीचे पैरू ओए चल आप अंदर जाइए चल आप अंदर जाइए चल wow so good tapos meron tayo ditong ano na cupboard cabinet. What do you think, Milan?
Very good property. We are not taking experience from it.
What if? See? Guys. So, ayun. Right over here, guys. Meron silang gym dito. You can do your thing right over here. You go to the gym in the morning. They have a lot of equipment. Ayan guys, so nako si Doc Milan ay enjoy niyan dito. Ivan is playing right over here, guys. This is a game room nila. Let's see Ivan nag-i-enjoy dito. Marading lukayche. Marading lukayche. Ih,
तू आएगी ना तो फंसी गई ने
Ivan!
तो फंसी
Wow!
गई ने
Wow, Ivan, jo, uy, bapre, Lego! Uy, Lego!
हैं पहलू आके तुम पढ़े ना
Chalo, awa jo.
तुम कहीं
Uy, bapre, bapre. Chal, Lego. Ame Lego rami, Ivan, eh. Eh.
इवान ने ऊंचा कोना पड़ेला ना ना मजा आई तो निकली गया
Choose करी ना. Choose करी ना. कवई जैसे. कवई जैसे. चल, choose करे ना. 1, 2, 3. Slide करिए.
भाई ऊपर चढ़ो
अब जो ऊपर चढ़िए.
ऊपर चढ़िए
चल, अब जो ऊपर
ऊपर चढ़
चढ़िए.
से पछाड़ी बस जा दे पकड़
बापरे इवान तो बापरे इवान इवान हाय तो करो बाय बाय
चलो, चलो.
लसर पट्टी
Wow, gila serpati jaya.
કઈ ગયો લા મારો છોકરો કઈ ગયો લા
Jojo.
અલા આયો
Wait, wait, આવું ને.
આઈ જા ઉઈ 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 ઉઈ
ये गाड़ी उचक जा
ચાલ આ શું છે?
उचकी जावा से
1,
1
4. Ilan pala goro? Ah, bajo. Train. Whee! Ah, bajo, train. Whee! Ah, bajo. Chala, chala, pra. Whee!
I really should've known. Be with anime.
Naglaro na po sila, guys. Para silang nag-honeymoon ulit. Pero may sutil, may ano, may kalaban. Naglalaro silang tatlo. Nakakatawa silang pagmasdan, guys. Oh. Uy, very good. Ivan! Uy, galing naman ang biyanan ko, ah. Galing, ah.
Pilipina
Pilipinang-Pilipina. Tara! And guys, maglilibot kami dito sa property nila. Kung nasaan yung swimming pool and all. Samahan nyo kami. Labas tayo. I think it's here. Ha? This is their swimming pool, guys. But it's very cold in here. Sino yung magsiswimming sa malamig na panahon na ganito? So, ayan. Yan yung garden area nila. Yung mga binan ko. Daddy, he will go to the swimming pool, ha? Sige. Ayan.
Nining Nay
Gusto niya mag-dive. Gusto niya mag-dive. Let's go, guys. Tingnan pa natin kung ano yung meron sila dito. Pwede kang umupo dito, oh. Ah, merong ano, laruan dito, oh. You can play here.
Change your energy. Yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. Be with anime.
Let's go. Let's eat first and then we can enjoy. Tuwang-tuwang pinang ko, guys.
that is what he said
Boo, Ivan, boo.
After all this time, is this it for us? After all this time, is this it for us? After all this time, is this it for
Oh, bapre. Tingnan niyo naman ang anak ko, oh.
I really should've known. Be with anime till we hit a red light.
apa tu दादा उभा नाही जाऊ दादा ना ना पप्पा पप्पा पप्पा
Mommy, mommy, sal. Iwan. Sal, mommy. Sala, sala. Mommy, mommy, mommy. After nating makahanap ng ating makakain, ng mapagstayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon para maghanap naman ng makakainin. Let's go guys. So, ayan. Ang dami namin nakita dito nagbebenta ng sugarcane. May chana. Ah, okay.
So they are making chana.
They cook it using salt also. Tignan niyo yung baby Yuan ko nag-enjoy kasi malaki yung space niya. Ayan. Tignan natin to guys kung paano anuhin ni Kuya. Lulutuin.
गरम मेरे को दे
गरम इधर मिलेगा
Ayun naman guys dito ay ipapack nila. Ah, okay. They are selling it here pala. So they will do the packet here. And then they have this store to sell.
There is different kind of masala.
They have different flavor. Garlic chole. Ah, okay. देखेंगे try करके. Garlic chole, let's try.
Chato masala.
How much for one packet? How much for one packet? 90 rupees. 90 rupees. Okay. Okay, so taste natin siya.
मस्त आइटम को 90 रुपया में पैकेट के अलग अलग फ्लेवर ना जे जो
Good. 90 rupees only. Thank you. This is Pudina.
डायबिटिक चना
Nagpapa-free taste sila sa amin. 90.
90 रुपया
छोले क्यों अलग है छोले
Can we choose? Or this is packet? Can we choose the flavor? No problem. Yun, go. Ek only beta. Ek. Bas. So, ayan guys, dumating na ang ating manchow soup. So, let's try it if it will be tasty. Mainit-init na soup sa malamig na panahon.
Rolling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biting your tongue to go.
Papasu order kayo.
ठंडी में मजा आवे
Misal pav.
मिसल पाव
Barabar. Ano yung side mo ako tayo po siya kachumbar? Ano yung apra orders? Swaminarayan wala. This one is Swaminarayan. This is regular one. Tikman natin guys. This is the famous item here, no?
In
Misal
Maharashtra.
pav in Maharashtra. Ayan guys. This is this one and that one. Swaminarayan. What's the one inside, Mog?
यस मुंगो
Munggo. So, meron daw munggo yan sa loob, guys. Tapos nilagyan nila ng seb. So, Doc Milan will be tasting it. Yung kay Papa iba, Swaminarayan, wala siyang onion and garlic. And Mommy ordered this Korean rice. Begwem? Papa chen eh. Kawas yame che. Kaya wala gimilan. How was it? Tasty? I will try it, guys. Let me go and try. Let me try it. It's like sepsa.
मेरा तो मुंगो टेस्ट
Ah, okay.
मगनो टेस्ट तो अलग लगा मगनो टेस्ट है आपका नहीं स्वामी ने
विदेश में तो दिया नहीं तो मंचूरियन आपका विदेश सर्च करना था
मंचूरियन नाटक किधर रहते मंचूरियन में बनाते हैं
It tastes ano? It tastes sabsan nga.
उठवान में बनाता है
Everything in May till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Caught your love was real, but it's there for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us.
Now let's try these noodles, guys. Don't you want to try the noodles with Manchurian, Milan?
so good
Sarap. Very tasty. No, it's tasty. Tingnan nyo naman, napaka-energetic. Tara, Ivan, let's go. Ivan, चला मैं जाइए बने तो चलो जा जा जंपिंग करो आम बाप रे चलो जंपिंग करो जो 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 1 2 3 उई उई वेरी गुड Yehey! Jo,
લેને નહીં ગમતી એને જમ્પિંગ
ચાલો
તમારા પગ દુખેડા થઈ લીધે
ચાલ Bojord Pattern
ચપ્પલ તમારા
Uy, uy, Pattern behu me Ivan, jo me anya behu Ivan! Atray siya! Ivan, atray siya! Chung, juku, chung! Woo! Woo! Aba, Jo, sit down. Ivan, Ivan mo yung gichaw. Kaya siya ta.
લસરપટ્ટી ખાવા
Saan po di ka? Chal.
હવે અમે બે ગયા હતા ને એટલે
Chala.
I really should've known. Be with anime till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Caught your love was real, but it's there for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us.
Tignan niyo naman siya, guys. Busy siya dito sa Lego board. Kami lang yung tao dito sa playground. Ayan. Kami lang yung naglalaro dito kasi sigurado kami lang yung may bata. Or if may mga bata man, yung mga bulilinggit pa. Hindi sila naglalaro dito. Ayan. Ivan! Oh, ay, Diyos ko po. Tingnan niyo naman. Mami, nani chokri banigyo pa siya?
પગ દુખી ગયા હતા બેસી ગયા
लो आ कुर्सी पर છે આ જો તો ખરા મારા છોકરો જો લેગો બોર્ડ માં જોવો છે ને જો અને અમે એકલા છે આ ખાલી અહીંયા કોઈ નતું હે મામી એ બંધ છે કે હું
આપણું જ છે ખાલી
આપણી માતા ખાલી એવું ને Ginanyo guys.
લેતા ચાલ
બેસો એને
ના ભાઈ જાઓ બેસી જાઓ
લેતો અમે કરતો સેટિંગ
Nakakuha ng pang-massage si Doc Melan dito. Oh. Ivan, massage karo siya. Oy, Ivo. Do, daddy ho karala. Oy, bopre, daddy. Mami, they are in turn by turn sa pagmamassage.
પછી બેસ તું પાછો
Guys, tingnan nyo naman dito. Walang katao-tao kami lang. Ayan, katabi lang ng room namin. So, nandito naman si Doc Milan dito, nagmamassage.
Kalilan po.
Ay, gusto naman ni Doc Milan, no? Lo.
Hindi, at sa bihis na ito tsaka po sila.
Si Mami naman daw magta-try, guys. Massage.
ताई हुई जाओ मैं ताई गिर जी किरा ताई हुई जाओ
कानू को बनती
बाकी हेल्प पड़ी देता क्या क्या ऊंचू पॉट कर એટલે ઊંચું ડોકું કર
Feel na feel ni Mabia na ng pagmamassage. Tignan niyo si Ivan, guys. Naglalaro siya ng karang mag-isa. Ayaw kong istorbohin dahil baka ay inistorbo ko. Ngayon di na maglaro. Yan mo siya. Mahulog ka dyan, anak ko. Uy. Milan.
Tingnan mo.
ah